Hello friends, welcome to Wisdom Jobs. I'm Sri Priya. I'm going to tell about fashion designing today. So before watching this video, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click bell icon for upcoming notifications. So friends, in previous videos, that is what next, I have already told that after 10th class there will be a course called fashion designing, which is as a diploma. And even you can take fashion designing as a degree in BSc fashion designing and MSc fashion designing. So basically, what is this fashion designing? Now let us see all these details. So today I'm going to tell about the topics like structure of fashion designing, designing and garment, types of fashions, and even fashion designing terms. So in fashion designing terms, you will all know like what departments are present in a fashion designing course. Firstly, let us get into the structure. Structure is nothing but a team works in a fashion designing company. That means it's a full time of job. There can be a freelancer's job, that is nothing but some people will design themselves and then they will sell it for the buyers. So this is how will be. And you can see many boutiques also which is run by the single individual person with 2 or 3 people. So this is how will be the structure. Now let us see how will be the designing and garment. So basically there will be a person who will sketch the design and then a model who will drape the dress, and after draping and choosing all the best qualities of that dress, then a particular higher authority will buy that dress. So this is how the designing and garment works. Now getting into the types of fashion. So there are 3 types of fashions and they are horticulture, ready to wear and mass market. So what is this horticulture? This horticulture is nothing but it's for a specific client. So if a dress is individually developed for an individual person, they will choose a higher quality of a fabric and textile. So with this quality and textile, they will develop a very best and higher costlyable product for a model. So this is how the horticulture will be. Now coming to the ready to wear. So these are small quantities but not for the individuals. That means this is between the horticulture and mass market. So what happens in the small quantities is, of course they will design but not for the individual, but they'll develop with the best quality of the textile and fabric only. Whereas in the mass market, they will develop a bulk mass of dresses and design with the cheapest quality of textiles and fabric for all the normal people. That means it's like your shopping malls and everything, but not for the company purpose. So this is how the mass market will be. Now coming into the departments. So here are the designing terms, that is nothing but discipline in a fashion designing course. So these are fashion designer, technical designer, pattern maker, tailor, textile designer, stylist, fashion buyer, seamstress, teacher of fashion designing, custom clothier, dressmaker, illustrator, fashion forecaster, model, fit model, fashion journalist, alternation specialist and image consultant. Now I'll tell about each of the department. So firstly, coming to the fashion designer. This fashion designer will sketch a design, and then technical designer will test whatever the design will be, which will be able to display in a computer. So he will make the display of the normal sketching in a paper or a painting, he will display it in a computer. Now coming to pattern maker. Pattern maker is nothing but it's like cuts, stitches, like how to cut and how to stitches he will be telling to the tailor. Then tailor will be cutting the pieces and stitch the dress in a particular and best way. Now coming to textile designer. Textile designer is the person to choose the quality of fabric and even quality of colors for that clothing. Now stylist. Stylist work is to select all the ornaments or costumes that is suitable for that particular design, that is nothing but that particular dress. Now coming to fashion buyer. Fashion buyer is a person which is a higher authority person who will buy that particular design dress. Now seamstress. Seamstress work is also similar to tailor, but they don't have a right to stitch according to their own wish. Whereas teacher of fashion designing. Teacher of fashion designing will teach how to design, what to use like textiles and fabrics and everything, and how to maintain the quality of a dress. Now coming to custom clothier. Custom clothier is similarly like a fashion buyer, but he will be choosing all the clothes that is suitable for a bulk of the market, that is into the mass market. Now, dressmaker. Dressmaker is also similarly like a designer, but he will be styling it for a particular model. Now, illustrator. Illustrator is similarly like a fashion designer who will imaginarily create a situation of that model or like how to display that model. Now, fashion forecaster. Fashion forecaster is he who will see for the further designing of a costumes and even the dresses. Model. Model is the person who will drape that particular dress and will display it to everyone who are going to see it or who are going to buy for it. So this is like your fashion models. So who are displayed, who walks on the ramp or red carpet. Now coming to fit model. Fit model is nothing but model, but this fit model will take care of that model into a healthier way. So this fit model should be completely in a healthier way, that is nothing but a physical shape, so that will be suitable for taking this dress. Now fashion journalist. Fashion journalist is a person who will write about all the new or trending dresses in a newspaper articles. So alteration specialist. What is the person will be going to do? That is nothing but if a model is draping a dress and it is not going to suitable according to the model, then alteration designer will instantaneously change the dress and alter the dress, and then he will make sure that it will fit to the model. Now image consultant. Image consultant is who will publish all the designs and materials throughout the world, like in a social media and everything. So this is the qualities of image consultant. So I hope you all got the different disciplines or different departments in a fashion designing course. So you can easily choose after fashion designing like what you wanted to become by seeing this video. So I hope you all got the details of fashion designing and even the departments and types of fashions present in a fashion designing course. So this is all about today's video. So don't forget to comment in our comment section, like one of you all will be trying to become a fashion designer, right? So please mention who are going to become a fashion designer, like in your friends or you wanted to become. If you like this video, please rate a thumbs up, share and comment. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel because I will be coming up with similar new videos for you all. Thank you for watching.